Where is the emergency room? Where is the emergency room? Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Can I see your insurance card? Can I see your insurance card? How long is the wait time? How long is the wait time? What is your date of birth? What is your date of birth? Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies? Are you currently taking any medications? Are you currently taking any medications? Can you describe your symptoms? Can you describe your symptoms? When did the pain start? When did the pain start? Do you have a primary care physician? Do you have a primary care physician? Where is the radiology department? Where is the radiology department? Please follow me to the exam room. Please follow me to the exam room. The doctor will see you now. The doctor will see you now. Do you need a translator? Do you need a translator? Can I get a prescription refill? Can I get a prescription refill? What is your medical history? What is your medical history? Have you had any recent surgeries? Have you had any recent surgeries? We need to take your vital signs. We need to take your vital signs. Please lie down on the bed. Please lie down on the bed. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? We need to run some tests. We need to run some tests. Are you experiencing any side effects? Are you experiencing any side effects? When was your last visit? When was your last visit? Please wait here for the nurse. Please wait here for the nurse. You need to fast before the procedure. You need to fast before the procedure. Do you have any family medical history? Do you have any family medical history? Where can I find the billing office? Where can I find the billing office? Are you feeling any discomfort? Are you feeling any discomfort? Do you have any questions for the doctor? Do you have any questions for the doctor? Please provide a urine sample. Please provide a urine sample. Do you have a follow-up appointment? Do you have a follow-up appointment? What is your blood type? What is your blood type? Do you need a referral? Do you need a referral? Please change into this gown. Please change into this gown. Do you have any dietary restrictions? Do you have any dietary restrictions? What is your pain level on a scale of 1 to 10? What is your pain level on a scale of 1 to 10? We need to draw some blood. We need to draw some blood. Please take a deep breath. Please take a deep breath. Can you sit up for me? Can you sit up for me? You need to rest and drink plenty of fluids. You need to rest and drink plenty of fluids. We will call you with the test results. We will call you with the test results. Please remove your shoes. Please remove your shoes. Do you have any chronic conditions? Do you have any chronic conditions? Where is the pediatric department? Where is the pediatric department? You should see a specialist. You should see a specialist. What is your current address? What is your current address? Can I get a second opinion? Can I get a second opinion? Is there a family member we can contact? Is there a family member we can contact?